considered as Quit India Day. Quit India movement is also known as the August movement. It was a movement launched at the Bombay session of the All Indian Congress Committees by Mahatma Gandhi on 8th August 1942. It was a massive protest initiated to demand an elimination and end to the British rule in India. So every year August 8 is declared as Quit India Day. The day is celebrated by paying tribute and homage to freedom fighters. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Quit India Day has a huge historical significance for India. It reminds us of great mass movement organized under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I love India. I believe in non-violence, truth and peace. People call me Babuji. Jai Hind. Ragupati Raghava Raja Ram Padinta Pavana Sitaram. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our independence. Nehru played a leading role in the Indian independence movement.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. Quote Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. India became free on August 15, 1947. As we all know, this was the culmination of a series of strikes and struggles, agitations and encounters, petitions and memorandums, massacres, death punishments, and of course, the mantra given by Gandhiji, do or die, when he gave the call for Quit India movement. How it began? Britain was facing some difficulties in the Second World War. Japanese troops were approaching the borders of India. Britain now wanted the cooperation of Indians. So they sent a mission headed by Sir Stafford Cripps to India. But Cripps' mission proved a total failure because they promised us only dominion status. So Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch his third major movement against British rule, and that was the Quit India campaign. The AICC held at Bombay on 8th August 1942 passed the historic Quit India resolution. We shall either free India or die in the attempt. That was his do or die mantra. Thus, the Quit India movement began. The government acted very quickly. They arrested all top leaders of Congress, including Gandhiji. Congress was banned. But the movement became stronger and stronger. There were hartals, demonstrations, police stations, courts, post offices were attacked. Railway lines were destructed or blocked. Telegraphic wires and telephones were cut. Bridges were blown. Mill and factory workers stayed away for weeks. British arrested thousands of Indians and kept them in jail till 1945. Civil rights like freedom of speech and freedom of press were abolished. Thus, British crushed the movement very easily. Still, the Quit India movement remains significant because it was during this movement the British realized that it would be very difficult to continue ruling the Indians, and they began to think of ways they could exit the country in a peaceful and dignified manner. Any discussion on Quit India becomes incomplete without mentioning the contributions made by women. Aruna Asaf Ali, Madangini Hasra, Sujeta Kripalini, Nandini Devi, Kahuli Devi, Tileshwari Mahanta are some names associated with acts of extraordinary bravery during the Quit India struggle. The freedom we enjoy today has been the fruit of unique and glorious struggle fought by our freedom fighters, has been the fruit of their determination and perseverance, has been the fruit of their resilience. This Quit India Day is an occasion to remind ourselves and resolve to be responsible citizens and live by their ideals and values.
ആദിയുഷ സന്ധ്യ പൂത്തതിവിടെ ആദിസർഗതാളമാർന്നതിവിടെ ആദിയുഷ സന്ധ്യ പൂത്തതിവിടെ ആദിസർഗതാളമാർന്നതിവിടെ ബോധനിലാപ്പാൽ കറന്നു മാമുനിമാർ തപം ചെയ്തു നാദഗംഗയൊഴുകി വന്നതിവിടെ ആദിയുഷ സന്ധ്യ പൂത്തതിവിടെ ആദിസർഗതാളമാർന്നതിവിടെ ആരിവിടെ കൂരിരുളിൻ മടകൾ തീർത്തു ആരിവിടെ തേൻ കടന്നൽ കൂടു തകർത്തു ആരിവിടെ കൂരിരുളിൻ മടകൾ തീർത്തു ആരിവിടെ തേൻ കടന്നൽ കൂടു തകർത്തു ആരിവിടെ ചുരങ്ങൾ താണ്ടി ചൂളമടിച്ചു സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യമേ നീലാകാശം പോലെ പാടുന്നതാരോ കാറ്റോ കാട്ടരുവികളോ
Respected principal, sisters, teachers and my dear students. Today is the most important day of each and every Indians because today is the 79th year of Quit India. Quit India Day is the most important stepping stone of Indian independence. On this day, our national leaders show their patriotism through the power, sacrifice, courage and unity. They said to British, you can leave from our country. India is for Indians. Yes, dear children, their sacrifice is today's freedom. Today we enjoy various kinds of freedom from their sacrifice. My dear students, on this day I would like to give you a small message. You can try to inculcate your patriotism. You can show your power, courage and unity in each and every moment of your life. That will help you to eliminate and overcome whatever troubles, difficulties and problems comes in your life. Jai Hind.